With the simple settings explained in this video, you will be able to install and set up your MariaDB 10 database for PaperOffice on your QNAP with the QTS5 operating system, as well as connecting PaperOffice to this database. The entire QNAP NAS setup is very simple and takes place in 5 steps. Hello, I'm Rick Shields from PaperOffice Europe, and a warm welcome to our YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed to it, do so now. It is free and you will never miss important workshops again. Additional interesting sources of information about PaperOffice can also be found on our social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter, and it is definitely worth following. So, let's start. First, the first thing we must do, we must go into the QNAP QTS interface and check whether the web server is activated. To do this, we go to the control panel, then under Web Server, make sure that a check mark has been set next to Enable Web Server. We'll need that later for phpmyadmin. Please check the box if there is none, and click on Apply to apply the changes. After the changes have been adopted, you can close the window. Now go to the App Center, click on the magnifying glass in the top right corner, and enter the search term MariaDB. Then select MariaDB 10 and click on Install. The installation process takes a moment. After the process has been completed, we click on Open, and we will be directed to the Setup wizard. So, we first click on Start to begin. In the next step, select Create a new database, and then click Next. The root password for the root user must be assigned here. Confirm your password in the next input field. In the next step, make sure that there is a check mark next to Enable TCP/IP networking, and change the port number to 3306. Then click on Apply to save the changes. The MariaDB 10 setup wizard is now complete. Click on Finish. The window can now be closed. Secondly, the next step is to install phpmyadmin. Therefore, I enter the term phpmyadmin in the search window. Carry out the installation by clicking on the appropriate Install button. If you have already installed phpmyadmin, skip this step. The installation process will take a moment. Third, start phpmyadmin. Then enter the username and password. Enter root for the username and the password you specified when setting up MariaDB 10 in the password field. Then click on Go. Fourth, select the User Accounts tab and then click on Add User Account to create the database user. This user is only required for setup, so you can delete the user account after the complete installation. Enter PaperOffice for your username and password. In the Global Privileges area, select Check All and confirm your entry by clicking Go. Fifth, now start your PaperOffice and click on Continue to establish a database connection. Then select Start Database Manager. In the next step, select the storage medium QNAP NAS and click on the corresponding image. Now select Create New PaperOffice Database, and in the next step, enter the IP address of your QNAP NAS in the QNAP IP address area. Check whether the correct port number 3306 has been stored, as well as the specification of the username and password, and then click on Check Information, Save, and Continue. The new PaperOffice database will now be created. The process takes a moment. In the next step, the unique master keys are generated for the database that has just been created. After both security keys have been saved, click on Everything Ready. Now we can proceed. A new database has now been created and you are connected to it. Click on Continue to log in. From now on, PaperOffice will use the database that has just been created for the entire storage. This completes the setup and our workshop. I hope we were able to help you. You can find further information and instructions in our COM desk at www.paperoffice.com, or if you have an active PaperOffice Plus, simply arrange a callback. and one of our supporters will be happy to help you by phone and TeamViewer or answer all your questions. We hope you enjoy your PaperOffice for QNAP. Thank you for watching.